Welcome and welcome back to the channel. I'm Melissa Ray. So Nars decided to release a new foundation. So I ordered the Nars new foundation online at Sephora and it came today. So I decided, let me turn on this camera, put on this foundation and see what it's given. So here it is, guys. So this is the light reflecting foundation. On the website it says light reflecting advanced skincare foundation. But this is what it looks like. Okay. And I got the color, how do you say this? Aguacu? Look, I don't have Nars. This is like my first official Nars foundation. So on the box it says Deep 3. So hopefully this is my color because, you know, I ordered it. I wasn't able to test it out prior to purchasing. But on the Sephora website, you can actually put in what foundations actually work good for your complexion, and they will match it for you. So that's what they did. I put in what foundations I currently own and, you know, the color, and then they said, oh, okay, well, if you rock a Fenty 450, then this is the color for you. So let's hope they did me right. I don't know. We're going to test it out. Just want to provide you some information before applying the foundation. An advanced makeup skincare hybrid foundation with a natural finish that quickly blurs and smooths while visibly improving skin's clarity over time. Okay, the coverage is medium. The finish is natural. Okay, there we go. What else does it say here? This breathable, medium coverage, buildable foundation quickly conceals visible redness, blemishes, and dark spots, while blurring the look of wrinkles, pores, and texture. Powered by 70% skincare ingredients for its visibly improved clarity plus light reflecting complex for enhanced luminosity. This up to all day wear formula is suitable for most skin types, including sensitive skin. Okay. I like what it says on the website, that it's a hybrid, you know, between, you know, skincare and, you know, the coverage that you need. And I also like the fact that it's medium coverage and it's buildable. Okay, Nars, so far so good. I'm liking what I'm reading. But let's see. Oh, okay, it got a pump. Because some of these Nars foundations don't be having a pump, just so you know. But this actually has a pump. So, I'm just going to go in, you know, like, why not? So let's see. I'm going to use my foundation brush to apply it. Ooh. This is, okay, this is very, it's kind of runny, like liquidy. Okay, this might be, okay, it looks like it's my complexion. Ooh, yes, okay. Gosh, can you even see that I put anything on? It looked like it's a perfect match. I'm excited, And just so you know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand so you guys can see. See, I put a little bit on the back of my hand and, you know, it's running down. Like, it's not thick at all. Okay, let's go ahead and blend it out. And the color I picked up, it says it's deep with neutral undertones and an olive tone. Normally when I pick up foundation, I do look for neutral undertones or pink undertones. A little red, not too red though. But I'm basically neutral if I had to pick one. I don't pull yellow or red all the way. I'm like somewhere in the middle, you know? So far, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Like, I feel like the color works perfect with my complexion, to be honest. I really do. It looks good. And I like the finish. Okay. Okay, Nars. Okay. Oh, your girl is excited. She's excited because this might be a winner, but you know I gotta put it to the test, y'all. You already know. So I'm gonna wear this foundation all day and see how it holds up. Okay, that's important. But so far, so good. What you guys think? Because I'm kind of feeling it. All right. By the way, on Sephora, this was $49. So you know. But I'll leave the link in the description box if you want to get your own or whatever. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish the face. So since, you know, I kind of want to use all Nars products. I don't have too many Nars products though. I mean, I do have the concealer, so let's go in with the concealer. And this is in the color Hazelnut. So let's go ahead and conceal. Okay, so we went ahead and concealed, and so far everything is looking really, really nice. The foundation and the concealer together. Oh, child, this is looking good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and powder and finish up the look. I might just speed up this process. Yeah, I'll let it play, but I'll speed it up so we can get to the end of it all, okay? Okay, so it's 2:26. Okay, it's 2:26. Can you guys see that? Boom. So, yeah, I'm gonna try to keep this on as long as possible. You know, just to see what this new NARS foundation, if it can hold up for a full day's wear. That's the whole point. Because as far as the way it looks right now, looks perfect. I mean, this, you know what? I'm gonna learn how to say this. Let me Google. What? Hell no. That's not what I want. Wait, what?
American English.
Iguazu.
In British English.
Iguazu. See, I done butchered it earlier. But it's Iguazu. That's my color. So yeah. Alright, so I'll be back, guys, and I'll let you know what it looks like after a few hours. See you later. Let me see what time it is. Okay. It is Come on, focus. There we go. 8:21. So we had this on for a few hours. Okay? So I did go outside. I went to the store and I did have a mask on. So aside from that, what else did I do? I mean, I did a little bit of cooking and cleaning around the house, but that's about it. So, you know, after wearing it for so many hours, you know, certain places is going to give off a little, you know, extra glow. You know, my T-zone area, usually. I mean, I don't know. To me, all I need to do is just blot in my T-zone area. And that's it. Once I do that, we back in business. I don't know, but even if I don't blot, say I don't blot and I just stay like this. This is fine too. I like this foundation. I really, really, really do. What is it called again? The Light Reflecting Foundation. And I like the fact that it has skincare properties in it, because I'm big on skincare. So that makes a difference. I like it. Definitely recommend it, for sure. But let me just go ahead and blot anyway, just to see what it looks like. But to be honest, I really don't need to, for real. Woo, yes, honey. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. Let me wrap it up. I've already expressed my thoughts on the foundation. It's a hell yeah for me. And like I mentioned before, the link will be in the description box. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe. And hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.